today's YouTubers, I'm going to show you guys how to make a Ouija board. Just going to show you guys how to do it. So this is what you guys are going to have to do. First thing you have to do is write yes. E S N O. Let's drop off quickly. Son of a bitch. So yeah, we're gonna share that. O U I J A. Like this. A B B C D E E F G H I J K L M. You go, okay, so it's M, you go N O P Q R S T U V W X Y. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Go. You go G O O D B Y E, and you like this. Okay, and you go like. You like go like a sun. And you go like a moon. And draw not some happy face like this. I'd say make a Ouija board so you can make one like big. You put goodbye on there, you put the numbers, you put the letters to make it more cooler. You say dot, so we can basically go like this. That's my Ouija board, YouTubers, and that's how you do it. I'm Thursday. And that's like the biggest Ouija board I can make of the cardboard compared to this Ouija board. And compared to this Ouija board. You guys can see on my Ouija boards, I got this one. I got this one I made. I got this another one I made. I got this one. You made this one. Like, it does work, so you don't want to like do it. You want to do it 2 people. Different sizes of Ouija boards you can buy. You can make all these Ouija boards, and yeah, so this ain't do it. So you just basically have to make a triangle piece board. You know, that have no Ouija board on it. Makes it look more sick. Style all your boards. Pretty dank. I'm not gonna use these though. I'm just gonna like put them away. It's pretty. We're probably gonna use it in the graveyard. Probably. This is how you do it. So put these over here for you guys can like see what I'm doing. And you got your triangle piece you can make. You can move it around the board. Like that. So you make it in paste.